paddy works on the railway. In 1842 from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the railway.
Hiya, welcome back to my workshop. I think my sound's a bit off there, but we'll sort that out later. So what he wanted was a stick with a bearing in the end. And whilst we were chatting, I went on Amazon and I found a pack of 10 bearings with a 6mm hole in them, which happens to be the size of the standing arms. So I bought 10 bearings. Brian's getting 2, Terry's getting 2. So this is a job to be done. And the other requirement was he didn't want it to fall out. So I've got an 18mm magnet. These bearings are 19mm external, 18mm magnet, and it does the job. What it needs is a handle. Make a handle. Why not? I'm using my continental spindle gauge to round down. That's ground. Mine's ground at 40 degrees. If you have one, you can grind it any angle you want. But I find it good for small pieces, small sections. Yeah, you're right. There's another tool he's got. I like tools. So I'm just going to put a chuck mount on here because I do need to drill the end. And for that I use my Ashley Isles. These are both Ashley Isles tools actually. Ashley Isles round bar skew 10mm. I find that very useful. Okay, so I've got an 18mm forcing a bit. My bearings are 19mm, so I'm going to have to sort of trim that up. But I'm not going to clean this right to the middle because this will get rid of it. Again, you can always trim to fit if you get it wrong. I'm just going to use my tailstock to make a press to push this on. So there's a problem with these bearings. They're 19mm. Hole in my shaft is 18mm. So I'm just going to put a piece of wood in there to stop it pushing back into the tailstock drive. And in theory, just press those bearings into place. Take the tailstock away now. Because I don't want to pass off the pressure on it. It's only that to 180, but if you see Rob from Kingston, tell him it was 800. Because he likes it when you use 800. Okay, so I've got this, I think it's about 5-inch deep vessel here out of completely transparent material. This is the base, and I've got 120 grit on a Hope sanding armour in there, and if I can find the camera, it stays in there, it doesn't fall out. Thanks to the mag. And I'm going in through the narrow neck here. It's not that narrow, I've got the end of here. And I'm standing across the bottom. I made this stick. Hooray for me, I made a stick. Bearings, a couple of, I'm sorry, the camera. Okay, a couple of bearings, 6mm centre. These are 19mm outside, is what I found. So this was done last chatting in room bit after the live on Thursday. Great green room. We just got green where we chat with each other. We talk about what we've just done. It's 6mm deep, 6mm hole, 19mm. I found in comments. That was Terry at Newark on Friday, and I should be there for Friday afternoon and Saturday morning at the very least. Hope to see some of you there. Don't forget thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Cheers for now.